Have you ever wondered why some of the wealthiest individuals appear to live like they're barely getting by? Richest people in the world don't look rich at all. The Millionaire Next Door found that most millionaires don't live in mansions or drive exotic cars. Instead, they quietly build wealth while living modestly. Over 60% of millionaires still shop at discount stores. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the truly wealthy live like they're broke, and more importantly, how adopting these habits can pave the way to your own financial independence and prosperity. Subscribe the Wealthy channel. Let's dive in. Number 1. The money illusion. The average person assumes that when you're rich, you should look rich, driving a Ferrari, wearing designer clothes, and dining at five-star restaurants. But here's the truth. The wealthiest people in the world live like they're broke, and that's exactly why they stay rich. Meanwhile, the middle class and the broke love looking rich, but at the cost of their actual financial freedom. Kevin, he earns $150,000 a year, good money, but every time his paycheck hits his account, it's gone in days. A luxury car payment, an oversized mortgage, designer shopping sprees, fancy dinners, and impulse purchases drain his bank balance. Now meet Mark. He also earns $150,000, but he still drives his 10-year-old car, lives in a modest house, and invests 50% of his income. While Kevin looks rich but is drowning in debt, Mark quietly builds a financial empire. The lesson here is wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. If you want real wealth, start thinking like Mark, not Kevin. Let's uncover the surprising habits of the truly wealthy that most people ignore. Number 2. They view money as a tool, not a trophy. Rich people stay rich by acting poor. Poor people stay poor by acting rich. Most people see money as a status symbol, a way to show off success, but the wealthy see it as a tool to create more wealth. People blow money on things that don't produce returns. They think these items make them look successful, but in reality, they're just spending their future wealth today. Before spending money, ask yourself, will this make me richer or just make me look richer? Shift your spending towards assets, stocks, real estate, and businesses, things that make you money instead of liabilities that drain your wealth. Number 3. They don't let lifestyle creep steal their wealth. The common crowd increase their spending every time their income rises, a trap called lifestyle inflation. This is why even high-income earners can be broke. They upgrade to a bigger house, fancier car, and luxury vacations the moment they get a raise, trapping themselves in an endless cycle of high expenses. Sam Walton, the billionaire founder of Walmart, drove a cheap old pickup truck despite being worth billions. Why? Because he understood that real wealth isn't in flashy spending, it's in ownership and investments. Every time you get a raise, invest at least 50% of it instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Your wealth isn't measured by what you drive, it's measured by what you own. Number 4. They play defense before offense. Wealthy people understand that making money is one thing, but keeping it is another. People focus on earning more but ignore the two silent killers of wealth. 1. Taxes. Most people overpay on taxes because they don't plan smartly. 2. Unnecessary debt, paying high-interest loans just to fund a flashy lifestyle. Wealthy people protect their money. They use tax-advantaged investments like real estate and retirement accounts. They leverage good debt, real estate investments, instead of bad debt, credit cards, car loans. Learn about tax-saving investment accounts. Pay off high-interest debt aggressively. It's a silent wealth killer. Before chasing more money, first protect what you already have. Number 5. They buy freedom. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to be free. True wealth is about control over your time. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explains, the ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want, for as long as you want, is the ultimate form of wealth. Many people earning 6 figures are drowning in debt because they reward themselves with luxury they can't afford. The rich prioritize financial independence over short-term gratification. Instead of buying liabilities, they invest in assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, things that make money while they sleep. Want to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? Start putting your money where it grows, not where it disappears. Before your next big purchase, ask yourself, is this bringing me closer to freedom or trapping me further into debt? Because the real flex? waking up one day and realizing you never have to work for money again. Number 6. They prioritize relationships over networking. The wealthiest people invest in strong, high-value relationships, not just business deals. They surround themselves with smarter, more successful people and grow through mutual value creation. In Never Eat Alone, Keith Ferrazzi explains, real networking is about generosity, not greed. The currency of real networking is not greed, but generosity. Yet, most people chase connections only when they need something, whether it's a job, a deal, or an investment. This transactional mindset is why they struggle to build long-term success. The rich, on the other hand, invest in people before they need them. They create trust, add value, and form genuine bonds because they know wealth is built through strong relationships, not shallow contacts. Number 7. Investing wisely for long-term wealth. Unlike those caught in the cycle of spending, the wealthy prioritize investments. They understand that true wealth stems from smart investments, not extravagant spending. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or a business venture, investments generate passive income that compounds over time. Shift your mindset from spending to investing. Allocate your resources into ventures that promise long-term returns. This proactive approach builds wealth while you sleep, ensuring financial security down the road. By focusing on investments, you'll create multiple income streams that reduce financial dependence on a single source. Number 8. They make money work for them. One hallmark of the truly wealthy is their focus on passive income. They build diverse income streams, from rental properties to dividends and royalties, that generate money with minimal ongoing effort. Aim to diversify your income sources. Whether through investments, side businesses, or royalties, passive income streams provide financial resilience and long-term stability. By cultivating passive income, you reduce reliance on active work income, affording more time for personal pursuits and insulating yourself from financial volatility. Number 9. They don't chase approval. Most people are trapped in a silent addiction, the need for validation. The truly wealthy don't care about impressing people. They care about their financial freedom. True wealth isn't validated by external displays. The wealthy prioritize internal fulfillment over societal approval, avoiding the need to flaunt their success through extravagant purchases. Define success on your terms. Focus on personal growth and financial independence rather than conforming to societal expectations. By prioritizing internal validation, you cultivate a mindset of authenticity and self-sufficiency, reducing financial stress and fostering lasting contentment. Number 10. They keep their wealth private. Wealthy maintain discretion in financial matters. They avoid ostentatious displays of wealth, preferring to let their financial success speak for itself. This approach shields them from unwanted attention and unnecessary scrutiny. Keep financial matters private. Minimize exposure to envy or unsolicited advice by maintaining a low profile regarding your financial achievements. Privacy preserves financial stability and personal security, allowing for focused wealth management and strategic decision-making without external interference. Start implementing these principles today. Shift your mindset, prioritize investments, and commit to disciplined financial habits. We've covered so much so far, but success doesn't come from one video. If you're committed to growing your wealth, make sure to subscribe for even more. Hit like and share this video with your loved ones so they can benefit from it too. As always, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep growing.